Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with number 19, I believe. And I messed up my order on the last video, the number on the last video. But anyway, I already started this video, I opened it, started filming halfway through, and then it didn't take. So anyway, starting all over again. So this is from Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. And this one got here really fast, like in 2 days. And other stuff, I've had somebody else stuff took 3 weeks, so I don't know, the postmasters. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so let's jump right in and see what she sent me. Excuse me. So she sent me this cute little pouch that says, "Hello, gorgeous," and "Hey." Who wouldn't want to be called gorgeous, and who wouldn't want to have a little cute corn purse that you can put some things in? She also gifted me the treat bag set by Anna Griffin, which I don't have, so thank you for that. And it's a 4-pack, and I like these because they're quick and simple. You get the paper clips, the embellishment, and the bags, so you can put something together in a jiffy. And she handmade this, which I thought was really nice, and this is very pretty color. This is what's the name of this color? Not seafoam. I'm trying to think of it's not teal. It's like a Tiffany, but it's Tiffany blue. But I was thinking of it's another name for it too. But anyway, very pretty. It's one of my mom's favorite colors. So this is a tassel that she made. Don't lose my words. Can't think. This is a handmade tassel. So thank you. I would definitely use that. Here is my card. It's already open because I peeked in and was doing the last video, so I already saw it, unfortunately. But she did do a video, and it was postmarked within this time frame. So this is the card, and she heat embossed, and she layered this centerpiece right here. It says, "Be your own kind of beautiful." She's got some nice bling here, and of course that gorgeous stiletto. What girl doesn't love stilettos? She says, "Hi, Don. Happy belated birthday to you. I hope you enjoyed your day to the fullest." Yes, I did. Congrats on your growing channel. I love you watching all of your videos. Happy birthday. Hugs, Lisa, the Happy Crafter. And happy birthday is in silver, glitter silver. And so I will have her link below for her Instagram and her YouTube channel. And she makes a lot of nice embellishments, as well as the traveling notebooks and stuff. So definitely check her out. So beautiful card. And so the main request was, remember next, but anything else additional like a ATC, excuse me, iCAD, birthday card, or tag counts as another entry. I say points, but it counts as another entry into winning the giveaway. So for each one of those things, as well as getting it on postmarked on time, also counts. So this is my iCAD index card today, or IC index card, which is a 4x6 basic index card that you alter. And so she has that sentiment here. Again, she's got it on a double layer of the round scallop circles. Not scallop, but yeah, I'm saying scallop, like a doily. And it's popped up. She's got this all on the back, on top of a chicken wire, or you can say honeycomb type embossed paper here. Some bling, and of course that gorgeous stiletto. And of course, like I said, she did a video response, so you can see it more in detail as well. And then on the back, she finished it off with a nice silvery paper, very nice and sturdy as well. Loving how everything coordinates. And she made this beautiful tag, one of AliExpress tag dies. Gorgeous tag. I love this. So pretty. And I love the little baubles because I don't have any. So I will be using those because I have wanted to order me some. So yay, I'm so glad to have some of those. So that looks so pretty together. So she's got on that nice curvy tag. She's got an applique here. She's got some fabric and paper flowers here, as well as some bling, this spray right here. That shoe again, and then he's topped it off with this half a doily in the corner. So it looks very pretty, and you got your ribbon here as well, and her label is on the back. Very pretty. I'm just gonna stick that back in here. Well, I'll stick it right there. And then also an AT&T ATC artist trading card. And so an artist card is like a business card for artists. It's a 2.5 by 3.5, and a lot of people are intimidated about making them, but if you make pocket letters, it's the same size. So they're fun to make, just little miniature works of art. And so this again fits in the color scheme, and she said she had that, so she thought she'd give it to me, and I'm like, yay, love it, definitely will take that. I have been in the ATC mood and IC mood as well. And last but not least, I am going to look at my pretty memory dex card. So everything is nicely coordinated. And thank you so much, Lisa, for the goodies. Try not to spill my my little pieces, because I would like to use them and keep them. They're pretty. I heard one roll went somewhere. Anyway, so this is my memory dex card. So we've got that beautiful person. She's got a little detail bling on it, and it says beautiful, like you, beautiful, you be beautiful. And you got your bling. Whoops, that little piece off there. And you can see that beautiful shoe again. So she's just accenting with some of that bling, and it just makes it pop. Very beautiful in my colors. Love it. And on the back, she's got a pocket with a tag, and guess what color it is? It is red. Oh, her birthday is the day before mine, so hey, great minds think alike, right, Lisa? And she's in the same state as my sister. And again, like I said, the YouTube channel is Happy Crafter, and Instagram is Happy Crafter as well. So thank you, Miss Lisa, for participating. Love everything. I like how you finished off the back. It's got embossing on the back as well. So still a few days left in the challenge. I will have her information in the show me more box, and I'll also have the link to the updated extension version, which describes what's required for the giveaway. And the deadline is January 31st. So if you need to inbox me, email me, DM me that, hey, I got one on the way, just let me know. So I will be on the lookout for that. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.